Take a deep breath and let it go. You are allowed to release what no longer serves you. Stress leaves your body, tension dissolves, you soften, you release. You let go with ease. Every exhale carries away what you do not need. Every gentle sound is a reminder it is safe to release. You are not holding on to pressure anymore. You are free. Free from tension, free from go-go, free from discomfort. You allow flow, you allow movement, you allow relief. There is peace and release. There is power in letting go. Your body knows how to reset. Your mind knows how to calm. You trust the process. You embrace the release. And in every release, you rise lighter, you rise calmer. You rise free. Take a deep breath and let it go. You are allowed to release what no longer serves you. Stress leaves your body. Tension dissolves. You soften. You release. You let go with ease. Every exhale carries away what you do not need. Every gentle sound is a reminder it is safe to release. You are not holding on to pressure anymore. You are free. Free from tension. Free from build-up. Free from discomfort. You allow flow. You allow movement. You allow relief. There is peace in release. There is power in letting go. Your body knows how to reset. Your mind knows how to calm. You trust the process. You embrace the release. And in every release, you rise lighter. You rise calmer. You rise free.